विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया उरिल्ल्यो खबरो. कला अकादमीत द गिवर हे पेंटिंग प्रदर्शन भरलां. हातूंत कलाकार क्लेर्सी वाज आनी स्टेसी रॉड्रिगीश हांच्या पेंटिंगाचें प्रदर्शन 16 ते 18 मार्च मजगतीं आसा. ह्या प्रदर्शनाचें उक्तावण कला आनी संस्कृती मंत्री गोविंद गावडेच्या हस्तुकीं जालें. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीश.
The theme of this exhibition is the giver, the theme coined by Stacy and Klebs. Again, I welcome all of you this morning here. Enjoy the exhibition. Thank you.
First of all, I declare that we have opened or inaugurated this lovely paintings, then different types of photography and all that. And first of all, I am congratulating to all the students who have participated in this exhibition. I, on behalf the National Association for Blind, the president, and our renowned artist, Mr. Alexei, a great artist over here who has come out with the innovative ideas.
Being blind is having sight with no vision. These words are from the famous American blind author and political activist Helen Keller. Today I would like to thank our Arts and Culture Minister, Mr. Govind Gaude, for coming here to support the vision of NAB, National Association for the Blind. To be in his company is such a special experience for all of us. Thank you, sir, for making the time in spite of your busy schedule and at a very short notice. Your presence only highlights the dedicated work NAB has been doing in these past years. I would like to thank our guest of honor, Alexis, gracing this occasion. His constant support and encouragement to young upcoming artists is such a delight. He is always positive and brings joy to all of us in Goa. To NAB, the President, Rosend Mendonca, and his big team.
Rodriguez is visually impaired, a self-taught and dedicated artist working in this field of art since 5 years. So far, she has held 3 solo exhibitions